Good morning, children. I hope all of you are keeping well. Today, we will be learning about the natural resources of India, which is in chapter 8. Children, what are natural resources? Natural resources are the resources which we find in the environment. The raw materials which is inside the earth. Now, let us see what are natural resources. Natural resources are air, sunlight, water, soil, stones, plants, animals, and fossil fuel. These are all natural resources. Natural resources are the resources which is given to us by the Almighty. There are two kinds of natural resources. What are they? One is renewable resources, which is also known as the inexhaustible resources. One is non renewable resources, which is known as the exhaustible resources. Under renewable resources, we get the plants, sunlight, and water. And under the non renewable resources, we get minerals, coal, and soil. We will learn later why I have said soil. Now let us see what do we get under the renewable resources. Renewable resources are the resources which will never finish. It is replaced naturally. Non-renewable resources are the resources which will finish and it takes years to form. Like the fossil fuel. What are the fossil fuel? The coal is the fossil fuel. Okay? Now let us see what we have. Now, the renewable resources like air. What is air? Air, the atmosphere is surrounded by thick blanket of air. Okay, and air is essential for us. Why? Because we need to breathe. Okay, it is essential for us to live. Water similarly also helps us to live. 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water, and from water we can generate hydroelectricity. Here's a picture of the dam and how the hydroelectricity is formed. We get hydroelectricity, it's over here. Okay, then is wind. Wind is also very essential, and through winds you can see the picture of a windmill over here. Again, windmill also generates electricity. Sun. From the sun, the plants also gets their food. How? Through the process of photosynthesis. And from the solar energy, we can generate light and other things also, like a solar cooker, a solar automobile, okay, which is very helpful. These are the things which will never finish. Then forest is there. Forest provides us with oxygen and many other things like medicine, gum, perfume, food, and shelter. Wildlife is also going to help us and it helps us. It provides us with food, wool, leather, and transport. Soil also helps us to grow crops and it allows us to live on it. Now, why I said soil is non-renewable, because soil and water are renewable resources, but they may be ruined by careless human actions. Soil can be depleted of nutrients. It can also be eroded by wind or water. This is why I had given it said that soil is non-renewable resource. Okay. Now we come to non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources is the fossil fuel. What are fossil fuel? Fossil fuels are sources of non-renewable energy. It is formed from the remains of decomposed plants and animals under a huge amount of pressure and heat. The coal, which is a fossil fuel, and we get coal. It generates electricity, also petroleum. It is also known as the liquid gold, and metal, as you see over here, it is in our daily use. Now, children, for these we have to conserve these precious things. Conserve means to save. How we will save? We can save it by these three words: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Some of the ways are: we should use the water sensibly, we should grow more plants, limit the usage of electricity, we should recycle the paper, and carpool. Carpool means when a lot of people are coming to one place, like we use the public transport, we can use the public transport, or we can hire one car where all the people goes to one place at the same time. So we can utilize that car. That is known as carpool. Okay, children, this is the introduction of the chapter. So let us finish over here. In the next class, we will be doing it from your book. Thank you.